goal of this activity is to really work on your lower body mobility and strength. It's an awesome move if you have a limitation in straight leg raise, trying to improve hip internal rotation and shoulder internal rotation, or your squat depth's limited. Here's what you're gonna do. You need a plate or a weight of some kind. Doesn't have to be a plate, dumbbell works pretty well too. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna soften the knees at the start. And from here, I want you to exhale. As you exhale, it's gonna be slow. You're gonna think about the lower abs kind of getting smaller, not like sucking in, but just using the exhale to create that. And the lower rib cage is also gonna get smaller. To assist with that, you're gonna reach the plate forward. Now notice as I did the reach, my hips also went back a little bit. So I'm gonna kind of combine those two actions at the same time. That's gonna help me get my hips in the position so I can loosen up the backside. So I'm here, exhale and reach, hips back. Now, in this slightly hinged posture, I'm gonna maintain position, keep the feet and knees centered. I'm gonna slowly squat down. As I squat, I wanna think about my rear sliding down a wall, so I don't wanna upright. I don't wanna shoot the hips way back and lock the knees out. Slide the rear down the wall. And then hold and breathe. It's gonna look like this. I'm here. This my exhale, reach and hinge. Drop down, hold and breathe. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.